Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here with day 22 of your weekly devotional for April 6th, 2022. And it is God has you covered. No doubt no doubt you woke up this morning with a problem that needs solving because everyone has at least one problem. The good news is, whatever you need or solution, God has it covered. He knew you'd need help before you did. He's always been ostracizing circumstances in your life that will lead you to His provision. And not just for today's needs, but for everyday's. He knows and He provides in His perfect way, in His perfect time. The key now is to ask Him to help, for His help. Don't be shy or bashful. He's ready for a full on ask from the heart that trusts and believes He'll do what He says. And today's prayer is, Father God, thank you for knowing me so well that you know what I need before I do. I ask for your help now, and trust you to work out what many details, work out the many details of what I'm facing on my behalf. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be gentle, and I will see you next week for your next weekly devotional. And bye-bye for now.